When you see a blinking orange light on your Cox Wi-Fi box, it's telling you something important about your internet connection. A blinking orange light indicates that your router is struggling to establish or maintain a stable internet connection with Cox's network. This means your devices may experience intermittent internet access or slow, unreliable connections. To understand what your router is telling you, let's look at what different light colors mean. Here's what each light color means on your Cox router. A solid green light means everything is working properly and you have an active internet connection. A blinking green light indicates the router is attempting to connect and is in the startup process. A solid orange light means the router has failed to connect and you have no internet access. And the blinking orange light, our main concern, means the router is struggling to maintain a stable connection, resulting in intermittent internet access. The blinking orange light typically occurs in several specific situations. It may appear during firmware updates from Cox, when your router is booting up or restarting, when there are connection issues with Cox's network, or due to hardware and cable problems. Understanding what the blinking orange light means is the first step in diagnosing and fixing your internet connection issues. First, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure and properly connected. Next, power cycle your router and modem. Unplug both devices, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug them back in, starting with the modem first. Check for service outages in your area using the Cox app or website before proceeding with other troubleshooting steps. Ensure your router is placed in a central, open location away from obstructions. Poor placement can significantly impact your connection quality. Inspect all cables for physical damage, such as cuts, bends, or exposed wires. Damaged cables can cause intermittent connection issues. If the problem persists, you can try a factory reset as a last resort. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Cox support for professional assistance.